Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to Financify YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can buy and sell on MetaTrader 5 app, so make sure you follow my step till the end. First thing first, I assume that you have already downloaded the MetaTrader 5 app, and once you open it, and yeah, make sure you are already logged in as well. And now right after that you will be able to see the interface or dashboard of the MetaTrader 5 app shown in the screen. So now you can see there is a lots of options to trade. So you can see there is a tons of symbols in here. So let me choose any of them to show you a demo. So let me choose EURUSD for now, which is at the top. So once you tap on it, you can see there is a two options, trade and chart. So you can choose any of them because the process can't be same. So let me tap on the chart for now, and you will be redirected to the EURUSD chart. And you can also see there is a red and blue kind of icon at the top right corner of this chart, which is just right side of this clock icon. So let's tap on that red and blue kind of icon, and you can see sell and buy just popped out. And you can also adjust the deviation, which is at the middle of the sell and buy. So let's say I want to sell it for now, so let's tap on the sell, and yeah, you'll be able to sell it successfully. And if you tap on the buy, then yeah, you'll be able to buy it successfully on MetaTrader 5. So if you want to see a example or proof, then just tap on the trade, which is at the bottom of this chart, just right side of this chart icon. So once you tap on the trade, you can see I have took the position successfully in here. So let's say EURUSD is in profit. So if I want to close this one, then simply slide it to the left, and you can see there is a three dot. So once you tap on it, you can finally tap on the close position, and you will be able to close your position, but make sure you confirm this one first. So once you tap on the close, yeah, you will be able to close it successfully. So basically this is how you can buy and sell on MetaTrader 5 app. And if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.